Welcome, this is Vijay Philip from Adi Krantivir Vasudev Belavanth Phadke Vidyalaya English Medium, New Panvel. Students, in the previous class we have learned the first two stanzas of the poem A Time to Believe by B.J. Morbitzer. Today, let's continue the next stanza. That is third stanza. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. See, here, nurturing heart. Heart is described by the word nurturing. Then hand, aging. Hand is described by the word aging. Okay. So aging means what? Growing old. Nurturing means caring and protection or providing nourishment. So what to believe? To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. We must value the nurturing or a caring heart. Who will be your caring heart? Your parents, grandparents, or your loved ones. And the innocence of a little child. You can see the innocence of small baby's eyes, no? That you have to believe. Or an elderly person, as they all impart vital lessons of love. So we must recognize the care and the protection of our parents and acknowledge the beauty of a person who is growing old. We learn to love others through the teaching of these old people. Okay? Clear? Okay, again let's see the figures of speech. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. See, the word to and the word to is repeated. So, it is repetition. You know that. Again, this is a general truth. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. So, that is, what is that? Epigram. Yesterday we have already learned epigram. General truth is epigram. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next slide. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it's time to pick up the pieces and begin again. So here the pick up the pieces means return to normal after a shock or disaster. Strength, that means quality of being strong. Courage means, what is courage? The ability to be strong at the time of difficulties. When you face danger, you should be very courageous at that time. So, now again let's see the stanza. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. Again, this is epigram, a general truth. Then again, this is a repetition because the word to is repeated. Now, to believe is to know and find the strength and courage that is within us. We should believe the strength and courage within us. And especially when it is time to get over a shock or disaster and return to normal once again. Children, you know that now it is a COVID-19 pandemic. And this is a very difficult situation. All the people have to face lot of difficulties. And this is lockdown period also. We have to sit at home. So you should have the courage and strength. You should understand you are having the courage and strength. This situation will go away, no? So you should be very strong in this situation, in this disaster. So the poet advises us that we should tap into our inner strength and courage and start afresh each time we fall. Okay. Now, next stanza. To believe is to know we are never alone. That life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. See, you should believe. To believe is to know that we are never alone. Because are you alone, children? No, you are staying with your parents. Your siblings are there. Your loved ones, your grandparents. So you are not alone in your life. So again, first two lines is to believe is to know we are never alone. That is a general truth. It's epigram. That life is a gift. Here life is implicitly compared to a gift. So it is metaphor, or life is indirectly compared to a gift. So it is metaphor. So, and this is the time to cherish it. Cherish means hold with a love. So the poet tells us that we must believe that we are never alone in our life. What we have to believe? We are never alone in our life. And life is a gift that we must care and protect it. Okay? So let's move on to the next slide. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. If only we believe. This is the last paragraph. What you have to believe? That wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. If only we believe. So within reach means sometimes that is possible to achieve. That is within reach. Okay. So he concludes by saying that good things are round the corner. Some wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. All our hopes and dreams will come true only if we have a faith and believe it. Okay. So here, is there any figure of speech? Again, to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. See here, wonderful and waiting. W is repeated. So, what is that? It's alliteration. And to believe is to know. To is repeated. So, that is repetition. Okay, now you learned all the figures of speech, children. Okay. Now, what to see? Now, I'll ask you some figures of speech. Can you tell me the answers? First question. To believe is to know the value of a nourishing heart. What is the figures of speech? Now you learn, no? Can you guess? Okay, fine. Very good. What is that? Epigram. Now next. That life is a gift. Means what? Just right now I told you. Life is a gift. What is the figure of speech? Okay, fine, very good. Metaphor. Life is indirectly compared to a gift. Very good. Now, third question. That wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. Wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. Correct. Alliteration. The sound of W is repeated. And all our hopes and dreams are within reach. What is the figure of speech? And all our hopes and dreams are within reach. Yes, very good. Yeah, repetition. The word and is repeated. Okay, students, you understood everything? Okay, so let's stop and thank you, children.